Hey, what's going on, Drip fam? It's Phil here, back with another video, and in today's video we're talking about, is Amazon FBA dying?
Take it easy.
So Amazon FBA is really popular right now, and it's right up there with Shopify dropshipping and affiliate marketing. And the reason why it's such an attractive business model is that there's a lot of people out there who are teaching Amazon FBA to be kind of like easy, get rich fast, no work involved type business, and that's really not the case at all. Any YouTube videos that you see where somebody is pushing that type of business to you, I think you should be very alarmed. Amazon FBA has been around for quite some time. There's been many successful people like Ryan Moran out there who've built multi-million-dollar brands or even 8-figure, 9-figure brands, and use the FBA platform to launch an actual business. And I think that the most important thing to keep in mind when it comes to FBA is that Amazon is just a sales platform. It's not an actual business in and of itself. And this is where I think Shopify, when it comes down to the e-commerce face-off between the two, this is why I think that Shopify has it beat in its own way. So the reason that I say that Shopify has Amazon FBA beat in this way is that, at least with your Shopify store, you own your own business. You have your own separate business. You're not controlled by Amazon shutting down or terminating your account. You're not controlled by competition in the marketplace as far as inside of the Amazon marketplace. You don't have to worry about hijackers or people stealing your products. There's ways that you can use Shopify to have that longevity and the long-term aspect that Amazon can't really offer. And of course, I'm not talking about drop shipping. I'm not talking about short-term business strategy with Shopify. I'm talking about building a brand and a long-term business. So anyways, on to the real question and the point of the video. Is it dying? I'm going to make the prediction that Amazon FBA is going to be a huge niche that continues to grow for at least the next 3 to 5 years, maybe even longer. I do think that a lot of things are going to change within the FBA platform, and the failure rates for new FBA sellers are at an all-time high. Now, this could be due to the fact that there has just kind of been an explosion in popularity in the entire FBA subject, but I think that there's multiple reasons for this. Amazon wants to reclaim as much of their own marketplace as possible. You have different Amazon brands being launched, like Amazon Basics, Prime Pantry, and things along this route that are basically an attempt from Amazon to take back the majority of the market share within their own company. I believe in 2016 or 17, 85% of all of the sellers on Amazon were private parties like you and me. And that's kind of scary to Amazon because that means that they're not able to maximize their profits. So I think over time, Amazon is definitely going to try to reclaim their marketplace. And they may do this by getting a lot more strict on FBA sellers. They may do this by discontinuing or changing the FBA program. And I just think that a lot of things are going to change. So I don't want to say that it's going to die at some point, although death is just kind of a part of business. But I think that it's certainly getting towards kind of the peak of its life cycle before things start to change and go in a different direction. So anyways, guys, let me know what you think. Do you think that Amazon is actually going to dry up and die? Do you feel that it's growing? Are you currently doing FBA? Are you thinking about doing FBA? So leave a comment down below and let me know where you feel things are heading with Amazon FBA. Do you feel that things are going to die out, or do you feel that things are going to keep growing? I'm really curious to know, because I just have this feeling that FBA is getting ready to go through some major changes due to the high amounts of people that are coming into the program. Anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and as always,
Take it easy.